So the first thing I'm doing is I'm trying to establish my directional bias on the higher time frame charts. I'm using mainly daily and 4-hour charts. So I'm just thinking, are we most likely to trade higher or are we most likely to trade lower? And also I'm trying to find the relevant PD array that price is most likely to reach into. So for me to find the direction on the daily chart, I'm using three concepts. First one is the institutional order flow, second internal and external dynamics, and third one is the candle closures. So on this daily chart, we can see that the price took this external range liquidity or NQ, but it failed to do that on ES. So we do have SMT at the key level, right? This is the first concept, internal and external dynamics. So we took this external range liquidity, right? And we are trading away from it, right? So candle body closures, this crazy big wick tells me that on the lower time frame charts, most likely we are having the V-shaped recovery, right? Price most likely is changing delivery state, so it's going from bearish to bullish. And then if we are taking this external range liquidity, there is no fair value gaps in this range. We only have this relevant swing high, that will be external, right? External range liquidity. So based only on this daily price action, because we're having such a strong reaction away from that key level, I'm thinking that price is most likely to go higher. So I would have to confirm that the reversal signature on the lower time frame chart, like 1 hour or 4 hour. But based on the daily chart, so far I'm looking at the higher prices. And then because I don't know if we're going to trade that high on the Thursday, I'm seeing this previous day high and the Tuesday high. For me, those are relevant relative equal highs. So I can mark that high as smooth edges, right? And the previous day high. So these are the draw on liquidity for me in the close proximity. So on the daily chart, I just use the external to external concept, and I use the daily candle closure, even though it didn't swap technically. But looking at this crazy large wick, you can it tells me a lot. So let's drop on the 4-hour chart and confirm our idea, right? So I'm trading New York AM, so we're gonna skip to 2 a.m. candle, right? So this is 2 a.m. candle. Okay, so previous day high is taken, but on the 4-hour chart we have this external range liquidity. I'm gonna also mark it on the ES, right? External range. So we have these smooth edges, right? This also relative equal highs. And let's see what the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see we can use institutional order flow. Price changed delivery state. On the 4-hour, this 2 a.m. 4-hour candle closed through all of those series of down close candles, right? And we have in these order blocks, right? Down close candles are being respected, and that's the signature of trading market. We are also displacing higher, right here, and then here. And price is respecting all of those fair value gaps. And on the opposite side of the curve, we are disrespecting the this CB. So price is not we are not offering lower prices from that key level. In fact, we are going and trading higher, right? On ES, it didn't close through, right? But on the higher time frame charts, it's still it looks stronger, like on the daily chart. So this is the analysis, right? We're using the daily and 4-hour chart to get the directional bias, and so far it looks really bullish. So I just got my narrative, right? I'm thinking that our Thursday daily candle will trade higher, and after that, so I got my draw, I got the directional bias. So right, we can also look at the 1-hour chart, like all of those smooth edges here. and then these highs on Q. So after I got my daily bias and the direction, I just need to engage price mechanically. So for that, I'm using my daily profiles. So I have to know when I'm coming into New York session, right? Let's rewind till 8 a.m. So I need to know, has the daily wick, if I'm bullish, right, I'm looking for the daily candle, right? I'm looking for the low of the day or daily wick. Has it been established? Has it been formed yet? Right? Yes or no? And based on of that, I can have different daily profiles, 4 of them. I can have Asia low of the day, London low of the day, the New York manipulation, and New York reversal. And mechanically, I'm engaging differently in price action based on each daily profile. So let's see what happened in Asia, this orange box, and the London, this blue box. So it's clearly a consolidation, right? We're just sitting in a box. We are not displacing, we are not trading away, right? I'm just thinking that this is just a continuation. Even though we have this gap created, right? Price is just trading into, like in it. Like in trading market, you want to see a clear reaction, right? Trading away. But even you can see that on the 1 hour chart, price, this fair value gap was inverted, right? So I'm not considering this as a displacement. On those Asia lows, we don't have any SMT, right? I do need SMT to confirm the reversal. So looking at this, and I'm trading New York AM, I'm just thinking that this is a consolidation, and based on that, if I want to trade higher, I need some sort of manipulation and then expansion into the draw on liquidity. So there will be a New York manipulation profile if we can take out the 1 hour external range liquidity. So I'm not thinking that we're gonna take London, right? For me, I need to have a manipulation on a relevant swing, and that will be Asia, because the London is in close proximity to this swing, and these swings in New York PM session in previous day, they are like more further away from all of those swings. So for me to engage in price action, I need the Asia lows to be manipulated, and then I can frame a trade higher, right? So let's see what happened at 9:30 open. So basically nothing, we just put the high close to this 4 hour external, right? So we actually have like relative equal highs. And we had lots of news, right? So like 8:15, 8:30. So let's see what 10 a.m. does. Okay, so 10 a.m. manipulates, and this is when I dropped, right at this 10 a.m. I dropped on the lower time frame. So like I said, mechanically, I do engage differently in different daily profiles. So if it's New York manipulation, right, I'm not gonna wait for the I'm not gonna use the bigger time frame. I'm using either 3 or 5 minute charts. So let's rewind, right? So 10:18 candle, I confirmed the change in the state, right? We have SMT, we have a key level tagged, and then we do have SMT at that key level. So for me, this is a reversal signature. I just need to confirm it through changing the state of delivery higher, and we do have it first on ES and not NQ. So I do trade New York manipulation profile. I'm using because there is not that much space in a range. Like I'm fine entering on the change in the state, but if I'm doing the New York reversal, most likely I'm going to wait for the New York order block continuation entry. So once price closed like through these two down close candles that I tapped into a key level, once the price closed, right, I'm market entering on this candle, right, because I don't need the retest of that key level. If I can squeeze to R till my draw, which I can, right, I'm gonna just enter market order, right. I'm not gonna set like limit like this. Just gonna enter market, and on the candle, once the candle closes, bullish candle closes, and the change in state is confirmed, for me this is a valid reversal signature. And let's see what happened. So even though it offered retest in many times, it's not offering that. So I just want to be, after I've done my like higher time frame analysis, I just want to be involved in price. So I don't need retest. Then it's consolidate, and then we get in this 2R, and in New York PM it's gonna take that 4-hour ERL. So this is it. I use 3-minute chart because on the 5-minute chart really I cannot get my change in state until all of this, and on the 3-minute it makes perfect sense for me. And also we have all of those failure swings at the after 9:30 open. So just to rewind, it's really important for me to understand if the daily wick has been formed, right? So it was formed on Q during New York AM session at 10 a.m., right? So I'm shading the swing formation. So this is a 10 a.m. swing, 10 a.m. swing, and I just want to, after that manipulation, I'm just gonna be entering on the lower time frame charts, right? Either 3-minute or 5-minute, to be jetting in the same direction as my higher time frame bias, right? So that's about it. Thank you.